How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another vibe. It's your girl Gloria, and I'm back again with another video. As you already can see by the title of the video, today I'm doing what's on my iPad. So here is my iPad. Yeah, it's pink, and you know I'm just a girl, so I got this pink iPad, very beautiful. It's not that heavy. And also, for more information about this iPad, watch this video, then you know everything about this iPad right here. Yeah, I got it this year, right? Yeah, this year, somewhere around February. Yeah, it was my birthday actually. I got this in my birthday month. So go check this video out. Yeah, and you know exactly what I'm talking about. And we're doing what's on my iPad. Yeah, I've already done what's on my iPhone 15 Pro. Yeah, here's the video, go check it out. It looks similar, it looks the same, but I'm just doing because it's different device. This one is my iPad, so yeah, because we have iPad and iPhone, so it's different, although they're all from Apple, but then it's different. And I have this pencil right here. I got this from Amazon. It's not the original Apple pencil. Yeah, this just from Amazon. Hold on, the brightening not too much. It got this Apple pencil here, and you have this dot here. Whenever that you press here, it will be on, then you see the light will just be on. You see the light. Yeah, so I got this from Amazon. And also, I think you will find information about this pencil, my iPad keyboard, to here in this video. So let's just jump straight into today's video. So let's do what is on my iPad, and I'll start screen recording everything, and I'll put it this side, yeah, for you all to see. So let me just use this so that it will be easier for me. And I have this control thing here, so it will help me to do everything. So let me just start. How do I even do it? Follow. I've started. Yeah, it has already started screen recording, and this actually my lock screen right there is very nice. I know it looks very purple. I like it that way. I mean, I really like pink, and I like purple too, and I like black, but I just love this. In this video, me talking about what's on my phone, I show you guys my lock screen. It looks like literally the same, but I have different motif here. Because let me just show you something. It's still on, right? You can see this top right here. I'm showing you guys this top. You can see I have this Bible verse there that I love it. You can see, and on this top right, like where the date is, I see I have rich bitch energy. Like in 2025, rich bitch energy only. And also on this side, so I have this nice Bible thing there. It's very cute. And I have Bible too here. It's just Bible with cross sign. I like it. And also this side is the whole topic for the day. It says chase the bag, not the boys. Hello, chase the bag, not the boys. And I'm talking about bag. You know bag I'm talking about. You know bag I'm talking about. You know, yeah, money. Chase that one, not boys. And also on the bottom side here, it says I'm just a girl, and definitely I'm just a girl. And also on this bottle side says self-love. Yeah, you have to love yourself as much as you can. And now I've learned how to love myself more than others. Like, you have to love yourself first. Put yourself first in every situation. You have to put yourself first before putting others. Like, it doesn't even matter if the person is your lover or family. You have to love yourself first, because learning how to love yourself, definitely you will know how to love other people too. So let's just move straight into my home screen here. And my home screen is very normal. It's not giving too much, it's just simple. So let me just flip it up. This is how my home screen literally look like. Very boring, I know. It's just like it have a lot of colors, you can see. So this is actually my home screen. Like, yeah, this is how it looks. First at the top side here, you can see I have agenda like calendar here, and today's day. And literally I'm recording this video on Saturday evening, which is 21st of December here, and it's almost Christmas. That's why you can see this 25th shade over there, and I have no event at the downside. And we move to the next thing over there, which is entertainment. I have Netflix, I have Apple TV. Any Apple device have Apple TV, so yeah. And I have YouTube. So on my Netflix, I have few stuff like I do most there. Literally, it's taking my time these days. Yeah, so whenever I open it, it up like that's like normal. Yeah, and it's from the shit. So yeah, and there is my name. You can see me right there. Let me just show you guys what I like watching. For me, I like watching action movie. I don't know about you, but me, I love watching action movie. Action girl. I like watching action movie, and also I love watching revenge, like kidnapping. You know, I like something spicy. I just don't like romantic movie or horror movie. No, I just love action. I'm talking to you. Anyways, I love watching. You can see I've watched a lot. Yeah, guys. Anyways, let's just go straight back home and see what we have next. And next, I have Apple TV that I don't watch much over there though, but I still have it. Yeah, and I also have YouTube. You all know YouTube is just like normal YouTube, and most of the time I watch channel 0.4 because they're amazing. And I watch Angel Reese too. Yeah, Angel Reese is the best. I watch her, and I watch basketball because I'm a fan of basketball, and I listen to and I listen to him too. I listen to him too because yeah, I don't want to talk much, but yeah, you know what, it is what it is. Yeah, that's home. That's YouTube. Yeah, and let's go back home. That's what I have for entertaining. Yeah, can see. Yeah, let me just go back. Okay, so here is also a chat and call. Like, I don't do much with my iPad though. Like, normally I use my phone all the time. I have few apps here that I communicate with my people, like my family, friends. I got Snapchat, but this is actually private account, like private Snapchat I have, so I can't show it, but just Snapchat. And I have Instagram. It's my normal official Instagram account, so I mean, why not? Let me show it. So this is actually my Instagram account you're seeing right there. Yeah, go follow me. That's actually my official Instagram account, and this is my baby right there. This one is her. Anyways, yeah, go follow my official Instagram account. This is how I look. That's my name on the top side. Yeah, go follow me. That's my official Instagram account. That's actually iMessage. I don't have much there. I just play games with my friends. Yeah, so it's not much. I just play games over there. What else? FaceTime too. I just FaceTime the same people that I play game with. Not much, you all know already. And next I have AudioMac. I'm so sorry, but I have this. I'm just a girl. If I'm not using my boyfriend's Apple Music, then I have my babes here. Since I'm online, they will give me this advert, but fuck them. Okay, yeah, I got a few songs though. You can see I got this. Oh my god, I got this too. You see these two songs at the top here? Like, we are not talking about that. Okay, let me just go back, please. I'm just emotional, girl. I'm very emotional type, so let me just go back peacefully. Okay, next is I got this Bible thing as a widget on my iPad because it's necessary. Every day give me Bible verses, so this night it give me these verses right here. I love it. Yeah, it's amazing. And also this side you can see my photo. Yeah, it's actually this year my birthday shoot here. That's me right there. Whenever that you click on it, it will literally go to my photos. Yeah, right to my photos. So that's it. That's nice widget though. It look nice. It will change pictures after like every 1 hour it changes, so I like it. I here too have few favorite apps that I use. Like here, I love it. That's actually my editing apps. I normally use PicArt for my YouTube cover art and all of that. Yeah, it's very good one, so you can also try. Yeah, I have a lot there, but we are not talking about that. Let me just go back. And I have CapCut. Everyone have, like, it's really popular on TikTok. Everyone have. I normally don't use it that much, but I still have it because it's very good editing app. And I have YouTube Studio. Here too you can, you know, try to edit some few stuff for YouTube. And I have iMovie. It's also a video editing app. It's very good. iMovie is good. You guys should try it out. It's just good as fuck, man. It's very good. Yeah. And next is also this widget at this top here. It shows me like the current app that I've already used. And I have Pinterest on it. Pinterest is lifesaver. I promise you, if I go, you know what I'm talking about. You see, You see what I'm talking about. It gives you a lot, like all my inspiration. Like you can see my wallpaper and everything. I got everything on Pinterest. Hairstyle, like a lot. You can get literally everything you want on Pinterest, I swear. Like Pinterest is just gold. Like Pinterest is just one of my favorite. You can see this thing. I got it over here. It's on my LASH cream hollow. You can see this thing right here. It's here. You see I have it here. Yeah, it's my favorite. Yeah, I got it over here. It's amazing. Like Pinterest can tell you everything. If you want nails inspo, hair inspo, dress, like girl, just visit Pinterest. You know a lot. Yeah. And what else? And also I have this games app. I have Uno that I normally don't play again because of this proto app that I got. I have Lude. Yeah, y'all know Lude. I have this TikTok. This app is actually amazing because whenever that you visit the app, you get extra games like, oh, hold up, fuck. Yeah, you see I have a lot of games right there. Don't mind the keyboard, it's just because I use this. So you have few games that you can choose to play which one you want. I like it. And also this Proto app here is just like a platform. You have to follow your friend. You can play with your computer. You can play with your friends. I normally play with my friends, you know. It's late over there. And I have this time widget too. It's very nice. And I have this battery percentage over here. Whenever that I connect my AirPods to, you see the percentage over here. That's actually amazing. And I charge my iPad because of this video. Most of the time my iPad is on 2%, 3, 4. I promise you, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not faking it. I'm just being real here. Just because of this video, that's why my iPad is on 95. Even I tried my best to charge it to 100 and now it's 95. My bad for that. And I have this location app here. It's actually Google Maps, so whenever that you open, it gives you a lot of destination. All you have to do is just type your location inside. Yeah. And also on this side of my iPad, I got a few extra apps, as you all can see. I got Converse for school. I got TikTok app, but I haven't used it yet. A friend just told me about it and I was like, oh, I'll try it. I got notes and the notes is very amazing. Sure. So I got free notes and I got free form and I got notes, normal notes on iPhone. Yeah, that's this. I'm talking about these three. And free notes is actually amazing for students and everyone. You can go get it. So this is actually the book how it looks when you tap it. You can see I have something there. I have this bullshit there. I have to clean it up. But it's amazing to use because you can literally use and also use AI at the same time. That's amazing. You can choose different pencils. You can just write anything that you want and clean it back if you want. Like this is amazing. And also using it, you can go straight to tap this side and it'll tell, like it will give you AI. You have to ask any question or you just type and it comes. You just type anything that you want and then AI will help you. That's it. Like I like this app so much. It's very good for students here. And I have free notes. You can get a lot here. All you have to do you have to download free notes. And I have this free form. It's on iPad or iPhone. This one is normal thing. I like to work with this because it's amazing. Let's say you are working with this in school. Let's say you can write whatever that you want. Is it not my name that I'm writing? Okay, fine. And you can push it on other side. Like you can work with it. It's very easy. You can do anything you want. You see, you can change colors. You can do anything you want. Anyways, and also my normal notes, I got free stuff here over there. So first of all, I got Bible verses, like my favorite Bible verses, as you can see. I just not all the time that I read Bible, let me be honest here, but whenever that I read and it hits me that hard, I just need to keep a note. Yeah, that's it. And what I got on my note is also IG post caption, which is whenever that I find any caption serious and nice or is about me, I just copy and paste it right here because it's necessary. I got a lot. I got YouTube video ideas here. The one with check mark, that means I've done it on my channel before. Yeah, that's simple on my notes. You see, I've searched for book. Yeah, let me just explain myself right here. Currently, I've been a little bit lonely. So if you don't see me studying like my books and all of that, then I'll just go straight to my iPad and I'll search for book. I found myself a talent now. Like whenever that I'm lonely or I feel like, you know, I got nothing to do, I don't have anyone to talk to, I just take my iPad and I search for book. As you can see, whenever that you click open like this and see the books that I've saved that I want to read. First of all, I'm trying to read the first one. Yeah, Enemies with Benefits. Yeah, that's what I'm reading. I don't know the reason why I'm reading that, but yeah, we'll find out whenever that I get everything set. So this is actually the book here. I've been reading, like, I don't know, I just make a highlight, but I don't know where the highlight is. Being lonely is very hard in this generation, I swear. Like, it kept me reading this shit. I got a few highlights, but I don't know where is it. Like, I don't know how to get it back. But yeah, it is what it is. Like, being lonely is not easy. So I'll be reading books, like normal random apps. It's not that much. Yeah, on iPad as usual. That's actually what's on my iPad here. I love this iPad so much because it makes work very easier and fast, I promise you all. And I even got a case, like a case with a keyboard. Yeah, so that's actually what's on my iPad. Hopefully you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. I know the setup video are too much, but hopefully at the end of the year I got something nice for you all soon. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.